when a wave of popular protesters swept Ethiopia.
The Ethiopian government has admitted it was behind airstrikes in Mekelle, Tigray's capital, hours after it denied it was behind what rebels say were deadly attacks. The attacks, according to the government news agency, had targeted rebels' communications and weapons facilities. However, media controlled by the Tigray People's Liberation Front (TPLF) said 3 civilians were killed in the airstrikes. Ethiopia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs had earlier accused the TPLF of killing at least 30 civilians in recent attacks in Amhara and Afar regional states.
These terrorist forces have not reciprocated to the unilateral peaceful ceasefire, humanitarian ceasefire of the government. It has continued its aggressions of territories in the Amhara and Afar region. Otherwise, our missions abroad have been undertaking various efforts by way of briefing their interlocutors on the current situations in Ethiopia.
Meanwhile, the TPLF, which regards itself as the legitimate authority in Tigray, has not responded to the allegations its forces were behind the deaths of any civilians. The Ethiopian army took control of most of the northern region of Tigray in November 2020 after TPLF forces seized a military base. The 11-month conflict has led to the killings of thousands of people and caused a humanitarian crisis, with the United Nations warning in July that about 400,000 people were living in famine-like conditions in Tigray.